What happens to child custody after an annulment? Imagine a situation where two parents decide to end their marriage through an annulment. You might wonder what happens to their children and who gets to make decisions for them. Well, after an annulment, child custody is handled very much like it is in a divorce case. The annulment makes the marriage legally as if it never happened, but it does not erase the parents' rights or responsibilities toward their children. Courts focus on what is best for the child's well-being when making custody decisions. Both parents keep their legal rights and responsibilities, even if the marriage is annulled. Children born during the annulled marriage are still considered legitimate, which means they are entitled to custody and support arrangements just like in a divorce. When courts decide custody, they look at many factors. They consider each parent's character, mental and physical health, and ability to provide a stable environment. The court also looks at what will best serve the child's needs. If one parent was involved in deception or fraud, that could influence the custody decision. Legal custody involves making decisions about the child's education, health care, and welfare. Physical custody is about where the child lives. Courts can award sole custody to one parent or split custody between both parents, depending on what is best for the child. The process for establishing custody after an annulment is very similar to that in a divorce case. Parents can agree on custody and visitation plans, or the court can decide if they cannot agree. Unlike divorce, annulments usually do not involve dividing property or spousal support. However, child support and custody issues are still addressed by the court. Sometimes, establishing legal parentage is necessary before custody can be awarded, especially if parentage is unclear. The court's main goal is to ensure stability and safety for the child, even if the parent's marriage is annulled. If you are thinking about an annulment and have children, be prepared to work through custody, visitation, and support issues in family court. Consulting with a family law attorney can help you understand your rights and responsibilities. Remember, the court's focus is always on what is best for the child's future and well-being.